visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So, tignan natin kung ano ang mga nangyayari sa buhay-buhay. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa inyong sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Believe in the divine timing dahil ito po ay timeless reading. So may mga pagkakataon talaga sa buhay na maiisip natin, kaya pala ito nangyari kasi ito yung tamang panahon. So, maniwala kayo na kaya nyo nakita itong video na ito, it's because of the message is meant to find you, no? Sa tamang panahon. So, magsimula na tayo. Ang laki kasi nitong cards, halos kasi laki ng kamay ko, hindi ko siya mahirap siyang balasahin. With the Ten of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. I think that since bago na yung year, parang gusto nating sigurong magsimula kung paano makaka-gain, makaka-harvest ng abundance. Ten of Pentacles is the highest form of abundance sa minor arcana, no? Sa major arcana is the Wheel of Fortune. The Ten of Pentacles is more of gaining it, but unlike the Wheel of Fortune kasi it will just land on your lap. The Ten of Pentacles, it's more of I need to exert effort for me to be here. So the Three of Wands is you probably waiting for the right break. You're waiting for a break or you're waiting for a specific situation. Probably nag-apply na tayo, no? Whether this is local or international. With the Three of Pentacles, if you're already working, probably you're waiting for or probably thinking it's either lumipat ng company for a greener pasture or going somewhere else. It could be umuwi dito sa Pilipinas to establish the business or magpunta ng ibang bansa, no? To look for a greener pasture as well. One thing's for sure, no? Parang we want to change the course of our life at ayaw na natin dun tayo sa sitwasyon na parang feeling natin, no, wala tayong kwenta. Parang feeling natin na binabaliwala tayo ng tao dahil wala tayo. I mean, yun ang isang realidad ng buhay na mahirap lunukin, pero nangyayari talaga. Kapag wala kang pera, wala kang boses. Pag wala kang pera, hindi ka pwedeng magsalita, hindi ka maririnig. Pag wala kang pera, hindi ka pwedeng gumalaw, baka makabasag, no? Walang pambayad. I mean, money can free a person in many ways. In good, getting getting your freedom because now you have a means of saying something, buying something, or it can be good. I mean, it can be bad. One of the things that bad is because you have money. So the justice system probably is not going to, you can get out of the murder, kumbaga, no? Ika nga dun sa pelikula, sa TV show. How to get, ano yun? How to get away? Yeah, how to get away with murder. Ayan. So anyway, let's go back to the reading. Parang ang gusto natin dito is mag-harvest ng abundance. And again, abundance may mean different things to different people. Abundance may mean literally money. Abundance may mean my peace of mind, which is my abundance. Yung peace of mind dahil hindi ka na, you know, hindi ako magmamadali sa pagising. Hindi ka, um, parang hindi ka natatakot, no, na ano bang kakainin ko, or kumbaga gusto kong matulog ng walang iniisip na papayapa ang puso ko, yan. Some abundance may mean materially, like my collection of shoes, my collections of bags, no? Ang aking ari-arian, ang aking mga alahas. Some others, maybe my abundance is this family, my relationship, whatever the abundance is, you're actually looking for you to harvest it, no? You're looking ways or probably thinking of ways paano ko makakamtan. So, with the full card, what I am seeing in here, the full card. So, ang nakikita natin dito with the full card kasi chances are we are going to take risk, no? I think na medyo meron tayong mga tinitignang mga options. In the past, siguro medyo takot tayo, no? Na gawin ito, kumilos. Siguro ito yung time na nasabi mong, ah, kung hindi ako kikilos ngayon, kailan pa? So, na-realize mo na walang tamang panahon kung hindi yung ngayon. Ngayon ko gagawin, ito yung tamang panahon para sa akin. Ito yung nararamdaman kong panahon na pwedeng mangyari ito, no? Kasi dahil ang tagal kong inantay yung break, wala naman dumadating. Ako na ang gagawa ng break. So, with the Knight of Cups, yeah, I feel like medyo matagal mo ng plano kung ano man itong binabalak mo, no? Either kumawala dito sa relationship nito, either humanap ng bago, either mag-work, no, work on this relationship, kausapin si person, makipagbate, kung ano pa man yang abundance na yan, matagal mo nang pinaplano. And it felt like ito yung tamang panahon para sa iyo na dahil hindi ako umuusad, kailangan ko ng kumilos. Kailangan kong ako mismo ang gumawa ng daan para mangyari ito. So, let's see here, bakit medyo nag-antay tayo with the Three of Wands, the Temperance, and the Two of Wands. Two of Wands is one of the fastest energy. Katulad din siya ng parang, hindi, mas mabilis kasi ang Eight of Wands. But the Temperance, the Two of Wands signifies soon. The Eight of Wands is very fast. No, it could be a fast communication, or it's going to happen instantly. With the Temperance naman kasi, it's more of trying. So, I think that you looked for a sign. Parang feeling mo, wala namang sign binibigay si universe sa akin, or wala akong nakukuhang sign. So, I think that no sign is already a sign for me to take chances, no? The Knight of Cups is clarified with the Empress and the Hangman. So, it also feels like nagkaroon tayo dito ng either, pwede kong sabihin tong a competition, no? Dahil parang nakita natin, if this is relationship, parang si person is more of lumalayo or nanlalamig na talaga, or parang meron tayong nakikitang picture na meron siyang kasamang iba. So, doon natin na-realize siguro na, gusto ko pa tong taong to. So, hindi na ako mag-aantay. Prevention is better than cure. Kailangan ko mabawi siya. No, yung ganon. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if you have some personal questions, there's actually a link ng aking website sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. So take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I'm seeing Scorpio, Taurus. I am seeing Pisces, Aries, Virgo, Scorpio na sabi ko, Cancer. Leo is here, Sagittarius is here, Aries is here. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light na mga stay. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.